Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is VanAmsen. Today we have medium level problem that is classic when it comes to tree algorithm, lowest common ancestor of a binary tree. And this is a problem that has shown up in many coding interview and is great exercise for understanding recursion and tree traversal. And we will be tackling this problem in Python, but don't worry, the code in other languages like Go, Rust, C++ will be in the description below. So let's get into it. If you are excited to solve this intriguing problem, yeah, let's dive and understand what the problem asks us to do. We are given a binary tree and two nodes, P and Q. Within that tree, our task is to find their lowest common ancestor, or LCA for short. And the LCA is the lowest node in the tree that has both P and Q as descendants. And a node can be descendant of itself according to this problem definition. So, for example, if we have a tree rooted at 3, so yeah, let's look. Tree rooted at 3, and we are looking for LCA 5, 1, the LCA would be 3. So we have 5, so here is 5, here is 1, and LCA is 3. So as simple as this. So I hope you understand the task better now. But how do we go finding it programmatically? So that's why we are going to figure out. So how we solve this? We will use recursion to traverse the tree and identify the lowest common ancestor. And the step we will follow are as follows. Yeah, so 3 steps. Base case, then recursion call, and then finding LCA. And what we do in base case. If the current node is known or matches either P or Q, we return the current node immediately. And recursive call, then we will make recursive call for the left and right subtree. And up to finding LCA is just if we find nodes P and Q in the left and right subtree of a node, then that node is LCA. So all right, let's start our coding implementation, and yeah, in Python. So first, step 1, base case. So base case, if root is known or root P or root equal Q, then return root. And step 2, recursive call. So left self lowest common ancestor, root left, P and Q. And right will be self lowest common ancestor, root right, P and Q. So now step 3. So step 3 was finding LCA. So if left and right, okay, return root, and return left if left, else right. As simple as this. So let's run it to verify it's working. So hopefully it will. So yeah, and we are given output 3 as mentioned previously in an example. So all good. So yeah, there we have it. And yes, let's submit it for unsyntax cases as well to verify or double verify it's working. So our implementation worked, and we beat 59% with respect to runtime and 65% with respect to memory. So sometimes output differs. So it took us 67 milliseconds. Previously, I got even 59. So with 59 milliseconds, beating 89%, but probably run test cases or server differ. And there we have it. The code works perfectly, and we have successfully found the lowest common ancestor. So we have successfully unraveled the mystery of finding the lowest common ancestor in a binary tree, and I hope you enjoyed this coding session as much as I did. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And remember, the code for other languages will be in the description. And yep, so subscribe to the channel so you never miss out quality content. And yeah, I producing almost all the time about challenges, tutorial, tech and machine learning, finance, investing, and much more. So until next time, keep practicing, stay motivated, and happy coding.